Ever wonder why your favorite creators always look so well lit? It's not just about having a good camera or a fancy studio setup. The secret sauce often lies in the lighting. Good lighting can transform a dull, shadowy video into a vibrant, professional-looking masterpiece. Spoiler, it's all about those LED ring lights. These nifty gadgets have become a staple in the content creation world, and for good reason. They provide consistent, even lighting that can make anyone look their best on camera. So let's talk about Alibaba's LED ring lights. Alibaba is known for offering a wide range of products at competitive prices, and their LED ring lights are no exception. But with so many options available, how do you know which one to choose? These babies have been making waves, and today I'm putting them to the test. We'll be looking at their build quality, ease of use, and most importantly, the quality of light they produce. Are they really as good as everyone says they are? Are they really worth the hype? With so many glowing reviews and testimonials, it's hard not to be curious. But we need to dig deeper and see if they live up to the expectations. Let's find out! First things first. As content creators, we all know the struggle of bad lighting. It's one of the most frustrating aspects of shooting videos. You can have the best content, but if your lighting is off, it can ruin the entire production. First things first. As content creators, we all know the struggle of bad lighting. It's one of the most frustrating aspects of shooting videos. You can have the best content, but if your lighting is off, it can ruin the entire production. Shadows, weird colors, and just, we've all been there, trying to adjust our setup to get the perfect shot, only to end up with harsh shadows or unflattering colors. It's a nightmare. It can really make or break your video quality, right? Good lighting is essential for creating high-quality content that stands out. It can enhance your features, make your videos look more professional, and even improve viewer engagement. Now, Alibaba has a ton of LED ring light options. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, there's something for everyone. From small, portable ring lights to larger, more powerful ones, the variety is impressive. We're talking different sizes, adjustable brightness, and even some fancy ones with color modes. You can customize the lighting to suit your needs, whether you're shooting a makeup tutorial, a vlog, or a professional interview. And the prices? Super budget-friendly compared to the competition. You don't have to break the bank to get good lighting. Alibaba offers options that are affordable without compromising on quality. But here's the kicker, what really sets Alibaba's ring lights apart? It's not just about the price or the variety, it's about the performance. These ring lights are designed to deliver consistent, high-quality lighting that can elevate your content to the next level. User testimonials and before and after shots show a massive improvement in video quality. People are raving about how these ring lights have transformed their videos, making them look more polished and professional. Seriously, it's like night and day. The difference is astounding. With the right lighting, your videos can go from looking amateurish to looking like they were shot in a professional studio. So, to sum it up, better lighting means better videos. It's a simple equation, but it's one that can have a huge impact on your content. Investing in good lighting is one of the best things you can do for your channel. And Alibaba's LED ring lights? They're a game changer for anyone looking to step up their content creation game. Whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade your setup, these ring lights are worth considering. They're a game changer for anyone looking to step up their content creation game. The quality, affordability, and versatility of these lights make them a must-have for any serious content creator. So, if you're in the market for new lighting equipment, give Alibaba's LED ring lights a try. You might be surprised at how much of a difference they can make. Alright folks, if you want to see more cool gear reviews, hit that follow button. We love bringing you the latest and greatest in tech and gear, and your support means the world to us. And drop a comment below. Have you tried these LED ring lights? Let's chat! We want to hear your experiences and see how these lights have worked for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.